Alright guys, so after taking out the intake manifold and crack the bolts off on the cam sprocket right here, we're gonna be taking out the flywheel, the pressure plate, and then the disc right after. So on this one right here, we're gonna use the 12 mil socket on each of this bolt around right there. Let's see how this thing look like. The concern on this is high engagement on the clutch pedal. It just engage, it connect right away when you release the clutch. It's about, if you let it go for about a quarter of an inch, it would engage right away, not even like halfway. So who knows, it could be the actuator throw up bearing right here, or it could be the slave cylinder. So we'll take a look, see what it look like. So we're just gonna go around the corner here. You can see it's all covered with dust. It's all blacked. I'm not sure if this is how many Ks on this clutch before. And then it was not telling me what brand of clutch this is too. So, all right, careful. This is gonna come out soon. This is the last bolt right here. All right, let's see this. Oh wow, there you go, some burnt spot right here. See those dark spots? Yeah, that looks bad. Look at the disc, look at the puck. Yeah, flywheel is done. The flywheel is done. Same thing with this disc right here, and then pressure plate. Definitely we're gonna need a new one. Definitely. Wow. There's some cracking right here. See those cracks? Those are hot spot. When it gets too hot, I guess they start cracking. This puck, see that rivet right here? It's been hitting this already. It's ground off. See that disc? The rivets right there, it's gone. This is the worst one right there. Yeah, that's it. No brand stamping on this here. It's hard to tell. All right, let's take out those bolts right here. This next. All right, guys. So this one right here is a 14 mil on those bolts right here. Okay, we're just gonna put it on the impact. We'll quickly zip them off. Yep, rear main seal for sure, need one. You can see it's all wet right here. I can smell like oil for sure. Rear main seal. We're gonna get like a full gasket kit for all this engine, for all this seals and gasket we need for this engine block right here. The full gasket kit, $500 from Subaru dealer. And this is probably like $400 or $500 kit right here if you get a new one. This is garbage. All this crap right here is garbage. We're not using those. Help me out, guys. What brand should I get? Action clutch. There's a lot of different brands. I used action clutch before on my Subaru and Honda Prelude. Those are okay. Let's see what I can use on this. And after that, we're just gonna carry on, move on to the next step. This here is not bad, no play, no movement, up and down, left and right. All right, let's move on to the next step right here. This video, take out this exhaust manifold right here. First, we're gonna take out the bolts from the shield, take out the shield out, and then we'll dive into the bolts right after to the head. All right, so let's get started.